It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely breezy day in Springland. Morning, rabbits. Morning, birds. Morning, Honk the car. Honk is very excited. He wants everyone in Springland to watch him play with his balloon. Honk tells the sheep that his balloon can bounce up and down. Fluffy and Floppy, the bunny rabbits, always love to play with Honk. Balloon games are such fun. There's Torty the turtle. Oh dear, Honk must look where he's driving.
Stop, Honk! Stop!
Shout the rabbits just in time. Phew, that was close. Lucky the rabbits warned Honk. Oh no! Honk stopped so quickly, his balloon has blown away. Poor Honk wants to go catch his balloon, but Torty is in the way. Come on, Slowpoke. Honk tried his best to be patient. Look, it's Swo-Swoosh the helicopter. Hey, Honk, did you lose your balloon? Calls Swo-Swoosh. Honk admitted it was true. Please, can you help? Asks Honk. No problem, Honk, shouts Swo-Swoosh. Swo-Swoosh to the rescue! But the more Swo-Swoosh and Honk chase that clever balloon, the further it blows away. Is Honk's balloon magic? How will they ever catch it?
I know why you can't catch your balloon.
Bleats Lolly the lamb. But Honk and Swo-Swoosh didn't hear Lolly. They were too busy chasing that crazy balloon. Don't think you can trick us, you silly old balloon, shouts Honk. Hey, I know why you were flying away from us, calls Honk. Honk knew the answer. Come back, Swo-Swoosh, nice and slowly, calls Honk. A surprised Swo-Swoosh does just what his friend asked. Okay, Swo-Swoosh, now you can land and stop your propeller. The little helicopter doesn't understand. Honk has to explain. The wind from Swo-Swoosh's propellers made the balloon fly further and further away. Isn't that a surprise, everyone? Says Honk. Have fun, everybody.